Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So basically what we got here today is that market is trading above the Friday's high, which is at 131.89. And we can see on the daily time frame that there is the breakout of this 3-day range to the upside, and I see potential for the higher prices, so potential upside objectives at 132.76 and even test of 134.60 mark. On the 15-minute time frame, there is a potential for completion of this more like an ABC correction, and we can see that buyers again seems like pretty strong above the previous day high, so I think there is more chance for higher prices on the USD versus Japanese yen. Speaking of the gold market, we had one, I will say, pretty much very well developed bear flag that we had breakout on Friday to the downside. You can see here also in the 8-hour time frames that we broke this to the downside, and there is plenty of potential for further lower prices on the gold. The key, I will say, some important reference point is at 1825, so there is a still chance for the further drop. And my advice to watch for selling opportunities on the rally. So far, market is trading inside the previous day range, pretty much in the middle. But if the market can start, and start to clear 1856 or, even clear the Friday's low at 1852. There is a chance for lower prices in the next period and for some bigger drop on the gold market. Speaking of the crude oil, we had update on Friday, but so far market is trading in the middle of the previous day range. So nothing really spectacular going on here. On this market, weekly is in a strong sideways condition. We can see here that market is trading for already a couple of months here in this range. So it's trading at 18.240, like major resistance zone, and support zone around 72 mark. So I will watch for the longer time frame breakout for this range to confirm further direction. For example, if the market can clear 82.40 or 82.50 and hold above, it can open the door for higher prices in eventual test of 92 area. And in case of the breakout of the support zone at 72 mark, then we can open the door for a lower price and potential retest of 63 or let's say 64 area. So pay attention to this big potential for the breakout of this range. Speaking of the Bitcoin, we can see that Bitcoin is trading lower. Seems like 8 hours building the bear flag. So the reaction from buyers really weak after this sell-off and breakout of this trading range. So there is a chance for lower prices in the next period. At this stage, market is trading sideways. So it's still not. I will like to see the potential rebreak of 21,500. To confirm eventual test of the 20,500 mark. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always and speak to you from tomorrow morning.